Imagine visiting a new city you've never been to before. You're taking in the sights, exploring attractions, and having a great time. When lunchtime rolls around, how do you decide where to eat? Chances are you'll walk past several restaurants, but a few will stand out. Some will be busier than others, and if they're crowded with locals, that's a good sign. They must be great. You've just conducted the busy restaurant test. E-commerce works the same way. Your customers visit multiple online stores daily, and they naturally gravitate towards the ones that look popular. But what does popular actually mean in e-commerce? After all, you can't really see how many people have the same page open on their phone. There are, however, several ways to show that your store is trusted, but the most powerful one is through customer reviews. Without reviews, your store looks inactive, and that costs you sales. If you're just starting and have 0 reviews, don't panic. Here's how to fix that. If you're selling other people's products, you might be able to reuse existing product reviews or link to them. However, this is a grey area and generally frowned upon, so replace them with your own genuine reviews as soon as possible. Absolutely avoid having a widget on your website that says, "Be the first to review this product." That's basically saying, no one has bought from us before and we're desperate for a first sale. Step 1 is to register on trusted review platforms. Sign up for platforms like Trustpilot, Reviews.io or JudgeMe, and claim your profile. Once that's done, integrate the review platform with your store using an app. Then set up automated email sequences to request reviews. The first and most obvious way to get reviews is by asking for them a few days after the delivery. Pro tip: A/B test different subject lines and email copy to find out what works best. Your email should mention the product name, maybe even include the review form inside the email itself. This makes it easier to fill out. You can also schedule a reminder email a few days later if they don't leave a review the first time round. But here's the catch: this approach only gets about 1% of customers to leave a review, so you'll need more. Ask for reviews after customer service interactions. A highly effective trick is to ask for a review right after a successful customer service interaction. Once a customer has been helped, they're far more likely to leave a positive review. But be careful, everyone is experiencing review fatigue. So how do you stand out? Leverage the reciprocity effect. If your customers appreciate how you've treated them, they'll feel compelled to return the favor by leaving a review. Some companies sneakily gamify reviews by deliberately leaving out a small item from the order. Then, when the customer reaches out, they ship it out as soon as possible with express delivery. Once the customer thanks them for the great service, that's the perfect moment to ask for a review. I don't necessarily recommend this, but it works. What's a better way? Try SMS or push notifications, but only if done right. Most people hate random text, so the success rate is low. Offer incentives. Give customers a discount code after they send a screenshot of the review, but check the terms and conditions of your review provider first. You can run a giveaway. Select a random reviewer each month and send them a free gift. You want to make it effortless to leave reviews, so add a review widget to your website, because returning customers are more likely to leave a review while reordering the same product. They liked it first time round after all. You might be wondering, why do we need all these reviews? And the answer is simple: social proof. The more reviews you have, the easier it is to highlight the most relevant ones in your marketing. Once your customers see that people just like them have benefited from your product, they'll be much more likely to buy. But to make this happen, you will want to avoid the generic reviews like great quality and fast shipping. A review like this would be much more powerful. "Thanks to your product, I've had the best night's sleep ever." Obviously, leave out the intonation. The best reviews use language that resonates with your audience. These golden reviews don't come in very often, but when they do, plaster them everywhere: website, emails, and social media. Remember to always respond to reviews, both good and bad. Negative reviews are actually an opportunity. If you handle them well, you can turn an unhappy customer into a fan. This doesn't always work, but 9 times out of 10 it does. But let's be real here, some people will never be happy. Don't lose sleep over them. Even the best companies in the world have a rating of between 4.7 and 4.9. Instead of stressing about it, focus on fixing the underlying issue. For example, if multiple customers complain about slow shipping, switch couriers. Or if people complain about the quality of your product, you might want to switch it out for another one. Or if enough customers complain about the quality of a particular product, you might consider stopping selling it altogether. Also consider collecting photo reviews. Use an app like Loox, that's Loox, to gather photo reviews. Why? Because user-generated content is a game changer, especially for lifestyle brands. Final step is to make reviews impossible to ignore. Once you have great reviews, plaster them everywhere: website header, product pages, emails. Highlight the best features according to your customers. Remember, trust is in short supply these days. Reviews help remove hesitation before a purchase. Once you've sorted your reviews, your job isn't done. Reviews are just one part of your store's positioning. Want to learn how to avoid putting off your customers? Watch this video next. And hey, why not review this video by leaving me a comment? If you want to learn more, book a free call with me using the link in the description below.